Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another unboxing for you guys, but I'm excited about this because it's my first time ever unboxing this, and this company did reach out to me, but I didn't immediately respond to the email but it kind of sat in my inbox, and then I started looking on YouTube for other unboxings, and I actually really liked some of the other videos that I saw and what they got, so I thought, I'm gonna do an unboxing and I definitely wanna try this out. Those of you who follow my channel know that I love Stitch Fix. I love getting stuff and being surprised with what they send me. This box is not like Stitch Fix in the way that once you get your box, you pick what you wanna buy out of it and send the rest back. It's more like Ipsy or Birchbox where you pay your monthly fee and then whatever they send you is yours. So the company is called Juliebox. I'm sure that you guys have already heard of them. It's just a jewelry subscription box, and the box looks like this. And it says, "Hello, gorgeous." How cute is that? And pretty much, I guess there's two options that you can get. The first option is just the regular box, the standard box, and it's $29. And then you get 3 pieces of jewelry. And if you do the premium option, you get 5 pieces of jewelry, and it's only $10 more, so it's $39 for that box. I am very weird about jewelry, so that's kind of why I didn't immediately just jump at the opportunity, because those of you who watch my channel have seen these earrings 1,000 times. They're my favorite studs by Kate Spade. My dog is chewing on a toy right down there, so please excuse that. Saley! And I normally am wearing a flight wings, like pilot wings necklace for my husband, but there are times that I wear more like jewelry pieces. But to be honest, I get into a mode where I only wear the same thing. So I thought I'm gonna branch out and I'm gonna see if I can just add some more pieces to my collection. So I'm excited to unbox this for you guys. If you guys are avid jewelry lovers, you will like this. And of course, link down below is how to check it out. And of course, money off for you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, so my muscles that I don't have. When you open the box, okay, well the inside of the box is super cute. So it has like this rose detailing on the box. I'm like a sucker for packaging though. I'm impressed by like the smallest things. So there's 2 inserts inside of it. The first thing is a card saying thank you for supporting Dress for Success. So what Juliebox does is they send I believe it's 5% of their proceeds to the Dress for Success Foundation. And it says on the back here that they've partnered up with Dress for Success because they want to bring awareness to women and push a movement. That means so much to them. So that's fantastic. And the other card just says to use hashtag Juliebox when you share your looks, and you could be entered to win a month for free. So that's really cool if you use like social media, Instagram, or maybe even Twitter. I'm not sure if Twitter does hashtags though, because I am not with the times, you guys. I'm an old lady. So this is what you would get inside the box, and it's beautifully wrapped. This reminds me a lot of how Rocksbox is wrapped, but again, this isn't like Rocksbox because that's more like of a rental company where you send the stuff back, or when you get it, you pay for what you want to keep forever. Okay, so it looks like they're pre-packaged in these little baggies right here. So we can go ahead and open the first piece. Okay, so the first piece is a bracelet. So there's different shades of blue on there, and it has the tightener where you just pull the strings, and then to get it loose, you kind of pinch a little bit and it comes off, which makes it easy to put the bracelets on yourself. I've learned with my husband kind of being in and out that if I can't get something on by myself, I'm not gonna have help getting it on, so I'm not gonna be able to wear it, especially with like dresses that zip in the back. There's just no hope for me, unless you guys have any like ideas for how to do that. But you can just take it with your thumb and your fingers and tighten it, which is nice. And this is a super, super cute piece. I don't know if you guys can see that up close, if it's focusing or not. But this is very dainty, and in the style quiz that I took about jewelry, I said I liked more like the delicate, dainty pieces, and I wanted some things that would match like for spring, since we're now in the spring season, finally here in the Midwest. So this is actually really cute. Like, I would say like 8 out of 10. I would definitely buy this if I saw it in the store. Okay, the next piece of jewelry are stud earrings. And I did say that the only kind of earrings I will wear are stud earrings because I'm just kind of boring, you guys, and I'm just very into studs and I'm very simple like that. And I have a lot of clear studs like Swarovski AB studs and then ones like this. And that's all that I wear 100%. So these are what these studs look like, and these are really pretty. I can't think of the word that they look like. They almost kind of look like, I can't think of the word. You guys probably are like saying the word right now, but I can't think of what the word is that it looks like. These are super cute and something I definitely would wear because again, they are simple. They're exactly what I said I liked. So I will go ahead and try them on, or I'll just try one on so I can show you guys on camera. Sorry, you guys, I have hair like in the way. So those are really simple and dainty and I like them. It's exactly what I said I liked. So far, so good. Like the last piece is the necklace. In every unboxing that I saw, it was one pair of earrings, one necklace, one bracelet. So I'm thinking that maybe you can ask for more than one of one type of item, or if you get the 5-item box, I'm sure they'll give you like 2 of each kind. But this is what the necklace looks like. And I will go ahead and say that this is not my style at all. This would be me branching out. So it has like this little tusk thing and it has like a tassel. And then I'm not sure what the other thing is. It's just like a regular little charm. So if you guys can see that, I feel like this would be really cute with just like a plain colored top. However, it looks super long. Okay, so here is how long the necklace is. My belly button is right here. So that shows you how long it is. And yes, I'm obsessed with this shirt. It's so silly, but I love it. So this is definitely not my style. I probably would wear it with like a plain white or plain black top if it wasn't so long. And you can change the length as you can see, but it would only make it longer if anything. So that doesn't really help me in this situation. But I could give this as a gift to someone who I know would wear something like this. But overall, the quality seems to be really great. And with jewelry, sometimes the cheaper you buy it, like the worse the quality is, and then it breaks after a few wears. And that's kind of why I don't just reach out and buy every piece that I see that I like. Obviously, my opinion could change because this is my first time getting this box. So for me, this is like a 2 out of 3, which that's great in my opinion, especially with how picky I am. If you're a lot less picky than me, this is probably gonna be a 3 out of 3 for you. But no matter what, these are all mine to keep because when you pay for your box, everything in it you get to keep. You don't have to pick and choose and pay more money for what you're wanting in your box. So it kind of takes away the hassle of having to like check out and send stuff back at your post office. It's just a lot easier than a lot of the jewelry subscription boxes that are out there, and especially for having 2 pieces out of 3 because it's 29 bucks for 2 pieces. That's less than I paid just for these earrings alone. So if they remain to be in good quality and they hold up, then that's an amazing price for 2 pieces, and then having a gift I can just send to someone else. So let me know what you guys think here in the comments. What pieces do you like, do you not like? I definitely love the earrings. I love this bracelet. This is gonna match a lot of my spring tops that I have. And I already have someone in mind for this necklace that wears that kind of jewelry and likes kind of the spunkier stuff. So that's gonna be all for this unboxing, you guys. Short and sweet. Of course, like always, I have a link in the description box. It will get you $15 off your first box, which will make it $14 or $24 depending on which box that you get. So let me know if you guys try it and if you have tried it before and you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.